Here's something you don't see every day. Let's get you in the loop on the new Remix BT30 mixer from Reloop. This is an all analog entry-level basic mixer. It's designed for a simple home setup, maybe with 2 turntables, to let you liberate your old vinyl, possibly. I mean, this is my mixer of that type. It's the old Technics mixer from back in the 80s, and this mixer is effectively the precursor to this one that we are talking about here, that's just been launched by Reloop. A no frills, very simple mixer. However, all that said, it does have a lot of inputs. It's got 4 line inputs, 2 phono inputs, a microphone input, and the ace up its sleeve, which is why it's got 3 channels rather than 2. It's got a Bluetooth input as well, which means that you can dial Bluetooth into a spare channel to play music through your phone or whatever. So it has got a modern twist there. There's a microphone input, there's a headphones input. Microphone's got 2-band EQ, the other EQs are 3-band. There's gain controls for each channel, although there's only master VU meters. There aren't VU meters on each individual channel. And you're going to have to remember your headphones adapter because it's only got the 1/4-inch headphone plug on the front. Construction is all metal, and one thing I love to see, a proper mains power socket on the back. There's no cheap external power brick for this. So there you go. If you're after an entry-level mixer and there's clearly still a market for it, or Reloop wouldn't put products like this out, then this might be a good one to look at. And if you paired it with the Reloop Flux audio interface for DVS with Serato or similar DJ software, you could also use it to control DJ software. But as it stands, it's an analog mixer, basically for turntables, line inputs and the like. So there you go, you're in the loop on the Remix or RMX BT30 from Reloop. Get good, get out there, make the moments, and I'll see you in another video very soon. Meanwhile, from me, Phil, here in the Digital DJ Tips DJ School Studios, bye-bye for now.